Ever found yourself miles from home, needing to pay for that delicious street food or a last-minute ride, only to realize your GrabPay wallet is running on fumes? And then the panic sets in. How do I top up GrabPay when I'm not in Singapore, Malaysia, or the Philippines? You're not alone. It's a common travel conundrum, but thankfully, topping up your GrabPay wallet while overseas is far less complicated than it might seem. In fact, with a few simple steps, you can keep your GrabPay flowing and enjoy seamless transactions throughout your international adventures. GrabPay has become an indispensable tool for many in Southeast Asia, offering a convenient, cashless way to pay for everything from rides and food delivery to in-store purchases. Its widespread acceptance makes it a go-to for daily transactions. But when you venture beyond the borders of countries where it's directly integrated with local banks for top-ups, a different strategy is required. Forget about linking your foreign bank account directly. That's usually not an option. The key lies in leveraging services that bridge the gap, allowing you to convert your local currency into funds that can be loaded onto your GrabPay wallet. So, what are your options when you're sipping a coconut in Bali or exploring the temples of Angkor Wat? The most reliable and widely used method involves international money transfer services and, in some cases, specific digital wallets that offer cross-border top-up functionalities. Let's break down the primary method, using an international money transfer service. Services like Wise, formerly TransferWise, or even certain features within PayPal can be your best friends here. The general idea is to send money from your overseas bank account to a local bank account in Singapore, Malaysia, or the Philippines, and then use that local bank account to top up your GrabPay. Now, before you groan about multiple steps, hear me out. Many of these services offer incredibly competitive exchange rates and low fees, making it a cost-effective solution. Here's a step-by-step example using a popular service like Wise. First, you'll need a Wise account. If you don't have one, it's quick and easy to set up. Next, initiate a transfer from your bank account in your current overseas location to your Wise account. Within Wise, you'll then set up a recipient, which would be your own local bank account in Singapore, Malaysia, or the Philippines, the one linked to your GrabPay. Once the funds land in that local bank account, you can simply open your Grab app, navigate to the GrabPay section, and select the option to top up from a linked bank account. It's essentially a two-stage process, getting your money into a region-specific bank account and then topping up your GrabPay from there. Another less common but sometimes viable option, depending on your specific country and the services available, could involve using certain digital wallets or fintech apps that offer direct top-ups to GrabPay or allow you to transfer funds to a linked local bank account more seamlessly. Always check the top-up options within your Grab app when you're overseas, as Grab occasionally partners with new services or expands its direct top-up functionalities. However, for sheer reliability and broad accessibility, the international money transfer service route remains supreme. A crucial tip: plan ahead. Don't wait until your GrabPay is empty to figure out your top-up strategy. Before you leave for your trip, or as soon as you arrive, understand which methods are most convenient for you based on your location and existing banking relationships. Also, always be mindful of exchange rates and any transaction fees. A small fee on each top-up can add up, so consider topping up a larger sum less frequently rather than small amounts multiple times. So, whether it's for your next GrabFood order or a GrabCar ride across town, topping up your GrabPay wallet while overseas is entirely doable. It just requires a slight shift in approach and leveraging the right financial tools. Keep these methods in mind, and you'll keep your GrabPay wallet happy and your travels hassle-free. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.